Are you looking for the best digital pianos? In this video, we will look at some of the best digital pianos on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Yamaha P51588 Key Weighted Action Digital Piano. With wooden keys, 256-note polyphony, and all the connections you need, this is a great traditionalist digital piano that's ready for the modern age. For the overall best digital piano on the market, most users should look to Yamaha's P51588 Key. This is a true pianist's digital piano with real wood keys, weighted action, and subtle escapement. It has 256-note polyphony for sustained chords that even the fastest players' prestissimo trills won't disrupt. It features beautiful built-in voicings featuring samples from Yamaha CFX and Bosendorfer Imperial pianos that are ready for the subtlest classical treatments and the liveliest jazz. While the P515 is quite heavy, it is portable enough for a traveling musician with a van. It features many connectivity options, including amplifier-ready line connections, a jack for headphones, Bluetooth audio, MIDI, and USB. The USB connections make this a powerful digital controller for those working in DAWs such as Ableton Live and Sibelius. Altogether, the Yamaha P515 is an incredibly capable traditionalist's digital piano that's ready for the stage or digital programming and also simply sounds great in the living room. If you're looking for an option packed with beginner-friendly features, Yamaha's new PS500 portable digital smart piano comes with red and blue lights that show what keys to play, among other learning tools. Number 2. Yamaha YDP145 Arius. Compatible with the Smart Pianist app via wire, this beautiful rosewood console piano is a perfect home piano that sounds great through its speakers or headphones, even if you're sitting through your kid's 50th run-through of Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. With a rosewood body and weighted keys, the Yamaha YDP145 Arius will be mistaken for an upright acoustic piano at first glance. It capitalizes on its traditional design in many ways. With 3 pedals and 192-note polyphony, this is a digital piano that plays like an acoustic. It uses synthetic ivory and ebony keys that feel like the real deal and really sing under the hands. Like the selections under Best Overall, this piano is compatible with the Smart Pianist iOS app, making it great for beginners. The Smart Pianist app allows you to control your piano's tone with added voices and even customizable weighting of the keys. In addition, the app can access your music library and create chord charts from your favorite songs. However, it should be noted that connection to the app does require a wire. Number 3. Korg Kross 2-6161 Key Synthesizer Workstation. With a legendary library of digital sounds, pads, arpeggiators, and drum tracks, plus an internal mixer and a touchscreen editor, this is a synth powerhouse that also does a great job with the basics. While so many digital pianos model their form and sound delivery on traditional pianos, the Korg Kross 2-6161 Key Synthesizer Workstation orients itself firmly toward the future. With a stunning array of editable sound samples, pads, arpeggiators, effects, and rhythms built in, this synth is a solid choice for any artist or beginner working with keys. Further, its versatility doesn't handicap it from also operating as an excellent piano. While its keys are only partially weighted and might not have the responsiveness you'll find in the wooden keys of a Yamaha P515, the Kross is certainly ready for pianists. It includes several piano samples that rival traditionalist Yamaha digital pianos in tone. With so many pads, voice samples, and arpeggiators on board, your DAW's MIDI synth library might feel redundant, but it's there with the Kross MIDI connections. The Chrome syncs with your DAW in a host of useful ways, making it an invaluable addition to any digital producer's toolkit and providing a host of sounds that will prove useful no matter your genre. Number 4. Native Instruments Komplete Kontrol. With a fully weighted fader keypad that feels like an acoustic piano, the Komplete Kontrol brings all the tools a pianist needs for full DAW immersion. A musical baby of the 21st century, the Native Instruments Komplete Kontrol is a digital piano that perfectly syncs with all aspects of your DAW for total control of your workstation. Native Instruments has made a name for itself by branching out of its foundations as a production suite and into instruments that perfectly bridge the divide between digital workstations and tactile control. Make no mistake, Komplete Kontrol is a producer's digital piano. Dedicated pianists might not want a piano natively connected to a computer. However, they will have to respect its design. With an 88-key weighted fader-designed keypad, the Komplete Kontrol plays like an acoustic piano. Komplete Kontrol isn't just a piano, though. Linking in with your DAW, Kontrol's two screens allow you to navigate quickly through instruments, presets, and filters, selecting instruments and editing them as you play. Its additional buttons control all aspects of the DAW's recording process, from starting and stopping recording to quantizing loops. Any serious digital producer who uses keys will find a home for the Komplete Kontrol at the center of their workstation. Number 5. Casio CTX700. With 600 tones and a host of built-in rhythms, the 61-key Casio is ready to get you jamming. Budget prices don't have to compromise expressive options. With the Casio CTX700, you'll have a huge selection of creative tools at your fingertips. The CTX700 is a descendant of some classic Casio portable keyboards that have been a ubiquitous part of American music for a few generations. This one comes packed with 600 tones and a host of pre-programmed rhythms. Perhaps the CTX700's most exciting feature for contemporary creators is its USB MIDI port. This means that, for the price you'd pay for many MIDI-only keyboards on the market, the Casio gets you an electronic keyboard controller combo that works just as well playing one of its 600 tones as it does controlling the ones native to your DAW. The CTX700's keyboard isn't anything to brag about. It features only 61 keys, and they aren't weighted to feel like a piano's. When you factor in playability, it won't compare to a starter piano like the Yamaha P515. However, for the price, the value is unbeatable. This is a great piano for beginners, folks looking for a MIDI controller, or keyboard players looking for a truly portable device with heaps of flavor.